Best deals. Make delicious variety of fruit juice with these durable juicer machine, which is best to prepare all types of vegetables and fruits juice, and helps to extract more juice effectively with ease. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Juicer. All parts are detachable for thorough washing. While the juices parts are top rack dishwasher safe, the suction base should be hand washed and towel dried. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cold press juicer. Crafted with a 108 mm extra wide chute that can gulp down whole fruits and veggies. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cold press. Wide feeding chute allows for larger ingredients with less cutting, which means less prep time, and also helps to reduce oxidation. The drip-free juice spout helps create mixed juices and to rinse between recipes. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Portable blender. Is lightweight design. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Squeezer. Comes with a masher to push the fruits from the top and a glass to collect the juice, ideal for making juices from Mossambi, orange, watermelon, pomegranate. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Blender. Smoothie maker boasts a durable ABS body for longevity. Blades are made of superior for superfine grinding and blending. Comes with leak-proof PP lids along with sturdy polycarbonate jars. Mixer grinder for kitchen is ideal for preparing smoothies and juices, grinding raw masalas. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Portable blender. The 6 sharp SS blades with rotation speed of 16,500 revolutions per minute and battery capacity 3000 mAh can power 7.4 volts powerful copper motor, perfect for instantly making anything from powders to protein shakes to smoothies to milkshakes and even baby food. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Electric citrus juicer. The pressure lever juicer gets more juice effortlessly without getting your hands dirty. Automatic startup by simply pressing the cone with the fruit. The lever is made of aluminum with rubber grip. Includes a stainless steel filter and a filter with adjustable pulp regulator. It has 2 cones of different sizes suitable for all types of citrus fruits. Juice oranges, lemons, grapefruit, citron, limes. The juicer is fully removable juicer for easy cleaning. Its parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Blender. Made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Mixer comes with 1 body and 3 jars for blending, grinding, mixing, and juicing. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Citrus press. 2-way rotation enables maximum juice extraction within minutes and that too without any hassle. Transparent jar makes it extremely easy to monitor juicing avoiding overflow. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Juicer. You can easily assemble and disassemble the machine for a thorough cleaning. The separate pulp outlet and juice jars prevent any kind of mess on the kitchen counter. Also, it's in compact size. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mixer grinder. The anti-gravity laid locks ensure complete safety. The clips stay open and in place, making it easy to secure the jar in place. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cold press juicer. Extracts juice at very low RPM which ensures no loss of nutrients due to cold pressing. This doesn't churn but squeeze, comes with reverse function to remove stuck pulp during operation. Easy to clean, comes with cleaning brush, best-in-class powerful 240W motor to ensure maximum juicing efficiency retaining maximum juice and ensuring dry pulp. This comes with 100% copper DC motor. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Sugarcane squeezer. Designed to minimize energy consumption while maximizing juice extraction of sugarcane, crafted with high quality materials and designed to deliver fresh and hygienic juice. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Portable blender. Easy to charge by regular socket, power bank, laptop, or any other device that has a USB port. Blenders can be used up to 35 times on a single charge. Easy to charge by regular socket, power bank, laptop, or any other device that has a USB port. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Juicer. Made from superb quality of aluminium, keeping in view its durability and convenience to use, wash and store. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Portable blender. Designed with upgraded waterproof technology, the blender base is protected from water damage, ensuring easy cleaning without submerging the entire unit. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Portable blender. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in your backpack, gym bag, or car cup holder. With a powerful 4000 mAh battery, enjoy the convenience of blending your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Slow juicer. Designed to extract every drop of nutrition and flavor from your favorite fruits and vegetables. Preserves nutrients like natural vitamins, enzymes and minerals by extracting juice at a slower speed. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Sugarcane juicer. Experience with ease using our sugarcane juicer's user-friendly controls, allowing you to adjust settings and customize your juice extraction process effortlessly. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Smoothie maker. The juicer cup can be opened up and down. You can open the cap to drink and open the bottom to clean. This juicer is simple to operate, with only one button. Double-click the switch to turn on the power. When working, you can shake the bottle by holding it at 45 degrees for better mixing. The single stirring time is 30 seconds. Add an appropriate amount of water or milk according to the amount of fruit, then tighten the bottle lid and base. Double-click the button at the bottom to turn on the machine. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Blender. Ideal for preparing large meals, bread, pastry mixes, and light creams, with an extra wide chute so you can process a large number of ingredients at once. Variable speed settings give you total control over the task at hand. Use the lower speed setting to chop your ingredients up into smaller pieces for a hearty homemade soup, or use the higher speed setting to blend your ingredients into smooth and creamy soups or dips. Includes 2.1 L bowl, 250 megaliters grinding jar, 1.7 L juicer jar, slicer cutter, shredder cutter, French fry cutter, kneading blade and chopping blade. Comes with food-grade plastic body. All-in-one dough kneader can help in kneading atta, chopping onion, blend soup and smoothie, whip creams for cake and pastries, prepare delicious batter and purees, shred, slice and grate vegetables, and squeeze healthy juice with ease. Food-grade blade for kneading. Powerful copper motor that support kneading and chopping. The unit can be disassembled and accessories are easier to clean. With precise slicing and dicing, the perfection of each piece allows for even cooking, even flavors, and a perfectly textured plate of produce. The end result, a dish that tastes as good as it looks. The attachments can be swapped easily and you can easily clean up after use. Easy prep. Unlike other food processors, is quiet and provides peaceful cooking experience. Appliance is suitable for chopping, shredding, slicing and emulsifying foods. It can beat cake batter and egg whites, knead bread dough and grind meat. Product link is given in the 22nd link.